super simple shop basics caulking gun. This is a new tube of caulk, and almost every caulking gun out there has a little hole right here. And that, if you look what happens, see when I squeeze the handle, that blade moves across there? That's a tip cutter. So you just put your tip in there, and I don't squeeze because it leaves a weird pinched end. You can squeeze, but I just squeeze it to where it's tight, and then I spin it, and I just keep squeezing a little bit tighter and tighter, then you get a nice clean cut off like that. And you can control how far in you put it, of course. Also, almost every one of these guns has a poker on it. There's a foil seal inside of the caulking tube, and you have to pop that seal. But all the tools you need to use a caulking gun are on the caulking gun. So make sure, even from squeezing the tip, you might have advanced this, and then that caulking tube will not fit in. It's too short. So these have a ratcheting system. See those teeth? Flip it over this way, and then you can just pull it right back. Now those teeth are not engaged. And now, since those teeth are flipped that direction, nothing is coming out because I'm not squeezing, I'm not engaging those teeth. Put the tube into the track, pop it down into place, then you flip over again your piece so those teeth engage. It looks like this. All right. And then if you look, I did pop that seal in there, so when I squeeze, caulking comes out. I prefer a caulking gun in the middle price range. Spend about $15, $10 to $15. You can buy a super cheap one, but this has nothing to alleviate back pressure. And what will happen is you'll be done with this, and it'll continue to dribble out the end for a little bit. This one, when you let it go, it backs off just a hair. And if you do have a caulking gun that dribbles on you, to stop that, just reverse it and pull it back. And now there's no more pressure on that tube. Where these things are on the caulking gun can change. This one has a bayonet style poker. So, you know, it's all up here on the very end. A lot of times I'll see the poker coming off of the handle down here. You just flip it out and poke it into your tube. The cutter is normally right there because it makes the most sense. And some don't have a cutter. That's how you use it and get it going and get it started. So happy caulking, go make stuff. Now, where these things are, keep it locked in.